In e-commerce, the competition isn't always about who has the best product. It's often about who understands the buyer better, especially in India, where price is the strongest deciding factor. Hello everyone, welcome back to MySellerCentral. Today we're going to talk about a strategy that is truly essential for any seller looking to grow their business, which is discounts. Now, discounts are much more than simply lowering your prices. When used thoughtfully and at the right time, they create a sense of urgency. They send a clear message to buyers that this is the perfect moment to make a purchase. However, if discounts become a constant, they lose their power. Instead of feeling like a special offer, they become expected, and customers no longer feel the motivation to act quickly. Next, in markets where products are very similar and competition is high, even a small discount can set you apart. It's not about undervaluing your product, but about positioning it strategically to catch the attention of price-sensitive buyers. Further discounts also offer a smart way to manage inventory. Every seller faces the issue of slow-moving stock, which ties up valuable capital. By offering targeted discounts, you can clear that inventory efficiently and turn what could be a liability into an opportunity. Also, when discounts are aligned with special occasions, like festivals, product launches, or seasonal campaigns, they carry even greater significance. These become well-planned events rather than routine price cuts. This not only improves how buyers perceive your products, but also enhances your brand's reputation. And importantly, discounts play a major role in customer acquisition. While your initial sale might come with lower margins, it opens the door to building trust. So in the end, discount is a powerful strategy, and the way you implement it can truly set your business apart and create meaningful connections with your customers.